What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, if you didn't know already. I just walked up my stairs. That's really sad. But I post all kinds of videos on my channel. Today though, I'm going to be posting a clean with me because it's Sunday and I just always do deep cleanings on Sundays. I have a lot of more things that I want to do that I don't usually do on Sundays. Hopefully I can get it done. I have an extra large coffee with me, so that should help. But yeah, first off, I have my hair in a bun and then I have some coconut oil. And I'm just gonna do like a little mask on my hair while I'm cleaning so I can just shower when I'm done cleaning. And hopefully it'll give my hair some kind of moisture back in it because mine is really dry. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in my hair and then we're gonna get this day of cleaning started. Okay? Okay. So I'm just gonna put it like on the ends. I'm gonna keep my hair in a ponytail. But what I'm gonna do just take, I don't know, I'm gonna kind of guess on how much I need to use. This might be enough. And you rub it in your hands and it just automatically melts, so. My ends are like really what needs it. So, it smells so good though. But I just kind of comb it through my hair. I add a little bit more. There we go. And then okay, so one of the things that I said I'm going to be doing differently today than I usually do on my Sunday cleaning days is I'm going to try and go through the clothes that I'm not wearing at the moment because I'm just getting overwhelmed by how many that I have that I don't wear. And then I'll be posting them on Poshmark. If you don't follow me on Poshmark, just Google or just search my name. I have a ton of stuff up there right now. I have like Lululemon and North Face, a bunch of Nike shorts and stuff. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, just go ahead and give me a follow. And if you offer something, I'm always open to offers on whatever. But I'm gonna stop talking so I can start getting this house clean. Okay. Get ready. My room's a mess, so don't judge me at all.
Take
Okay guys, so I am done cleaning. I cleaned more, but I didn't include you guys in it. I don't know why. I think I just forgot to film. But I did take a shower and I rinsed out that coconut oil. And my hair does feel really good, so I would definitely recommend that. I've done it before, but I don't know. Sometimes it stays in your hair. Like, you really have to wash it out. But right now I am just meal prepping. We have some baked potatoes going and then some grilled zucchini. And I am sitting outside trying to tan myself because I'm so white. But yeah, I'm probably gonna head over to my parents and I don't know if I'll film too much more, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys want to see below in the comments. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to me if you aren't already, and I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.